too.
They have like little afros. Like
Blue afros.
2D blue afros.
Very pretty.
No,
I like it.
Mohawk.
I like the white stripes.
It kind of looks like the one in tuxedo.
Yep, that's got to be. I bet you they're female and male.
Yeah.
The bigger one's probably the male, right? Birds of paradise. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. I am. I'm calling your woman pretty. That's cool, huh? Is that all right?
2D afro.
He's protective. Yeah.
I wouldn't look like these kids because a hornet decided not to
pretty.
chase me.
He's so pretty. All right.
I
Next.
haven't took a picture of.
Hi, monkey. What's up, buddy?
Is that nail polish?
Boy, you up high. He's got something in his hand.
Food thing off.
Yeah, he's playing keep away. That guy wants it. He's like, oh no, you can't have it. He's chasing him. Oh, look out.
We're gonna catch you. We're gonna catch you.
Whoa.
I'm taking so many pictures.
Oh, hiding under there.
Oh, I see.
Hiding under there.
I'm pretty sure one saw it.
Yeah, look, they broke it down
Hey, now
Did
they
he
got
hide it?
fruit on the ground.
there. Does he still have it?
He still has it. There he goes. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him.
I'm taking a video.
Here he comes. He's coming back this way. They're gonna get it. They're gonna get it. Here they come. Look out! Look out! He's right behind you. He's right behind you. Oh wow!
That's so cool.
Oh, he dropped it.
Get it.
That was cool.
That was cool.
Forever be in this place tomorrow.
That's crazy how much fun they have, huh? Whoa! Go get it! Go get it! Go get it!
Wait, did you get it back?
Yeah, he got it.
Oh, now they're
Whoa!
After him now. You dropped it again?
Oh, they're all in there. They're right on top of him, man. Oh! Oh, now they're fighting.
They sound like birds.
Whoa! Look out! Here he comes!
I'm taking another video.
Here he comes!
Who even has it anymore? No one has it.
He's like, I don't have it. I don't have it.
Must have lost it. I bet you it's in the bushes. It's over there.
Look at him. Look at him holding on to him. Look. Look at. He's like holding on to his
Where
back.
is it? Where is it? Where's
right
where
under
you
there.
put it?
I'm taking video.
You see it, Mom?
Yeah, I do. It's right down on the ground, like right where he was. Behind that square block.
You should go get it.
Near the wall. Yeah, I should go get it.
Go,
Go in there, Mom.
Go, we're
Oh, he sees it. I think he sees
He
it.
knows where it is.
Look at this squirrel over here.
Yeah, he got it. He's got it. He just got it.
I wonder if that's the same one that had it. He probably.
Yep, here he comes. Being chased again.
Oh, he got it.
Wicked funny. We'll watch these all day. Such a cool playground,
I can't
isn't
believe he
it?
broke that off the.
Huh?
This is such a nice zoo.
Nana, I can't believe he broke that off the.
I know.
Nice zoo I've seen.
Yeah,
How
me
did you
too.
even break
I took
that?
two videos of this thing.
The other zoo's in Boston, like around Boston.
Yeah.
Just smell.
The
They're
one
just
in
dirty.
DC was not
Yeah,
good.
yeah. I don't like city zoos.
Yeah, thanks.
Pictures hold it this way.
He's such a cutie. Yeah.
What is that?
Yeah.
Mandrill.
Such a cutie.
Go back.
Who made that noise? What's up, buddy? What's up? Yeah. It's you, too. I know. I know. Yeah. All right. That's awesome. That was cool.
I wish I took a video of
Oh my God.
getting my phone out.
I hope I got a little bit of that. He was just swinging over and over and over again on this thing. Come on over here. Show us. Very cool.
Accidentally took a video.
Here he comes. Come on.
Take a video just in case.
Come on.
I can't.
Here he comes. Here he comes. Cool. Ta-da! He really is. Hi.
Yeah, I took a lot of pictures. I took too many pictures of
Come on.
monkeys.
Come on. Here you go.
Hello.
Yeah, yeah. Good boy. That was awesome.
Turn off my phone.
Woo-hoo-hoo.
I got a video, babe.
I got
I
that.
don't think you can.
I can send it
Get him
to.
right now. Get him right now.
Do you have Facebook? I think you can get him on Facebook, right?
Oh.
He is. He's in his corner. Yeah, the other one's starting to swing now. You're gonna keep them separate, I guess. Here he goes. Here he goes. Whoa! That is so cool.
You got him doing that, right?
They got them together. What? That is just so cool. I got him doing that twice. One more time. Come on. Come on.
How much more?
I don't think you can attract
Come on.
dog.
Okay.
Good boy. Here we go.
How do you know it's a boy?
I don't know. I say good boy, good girl. Could be a girl.
Good monkey.
Good monkey. Here he comes.
Yeah.
Definitely has a lot
I
of fun.
definitely want the Ferris wheel.
Yeah. I also want to go on that
That
yellow
Ferris
spinning
wheel's
thing.
cool.
Here he comes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
I caught him doing that 6 times in the same video.
That is
Oh, they
cool.
swing it together. Oh my god.
Yeah.
They were like in unison for a minute.
Yeah.
Baby on her belly.
Who's got a baby? You got a baby on the belly down there?
Yeah, she's swinging. The baby's holding on. Look.
That's the one I got earlier.
Wait,
Yeah, that is so
Way
cool.
over there, babe.
Yeah, the brown one. You should tell Mom to do that to you. Just kind of like go swinging on a branch.